Can you sing? You gonna go on the slide? Ooh. That's Dora's slide, huh? I'm gonna put Dora on the slide. Does Dora want to go sliding? Go ahead. Dora says, I want to go on a slide. Oh. Sorry, Dora. Bless you. Okay. Who's going on the slide? Are you going on the slide? Kai, are you trying to go on the slide? Because you like slides, don't you? Did you go on the slide? Okay, say bye-bye. Did you go on the slide? Let me see. Oh, you missed it. Did you try to get on the slide? Okay, bye-bye. You want to hold it? Okay, bye-bye.